Welcome back to Further Solutions Academy. Welcome back. I have to show examples, more examples, which I have some proof here. You have to show, using truth table, to show that this is equals to this. Now, this is a congress. This is called equivalent. You can call it congress. You can also call it congress and equivalent sign. Now, I want to show these two things. I told you in the previous video, before I can lay my hand on any question, 1, 2, 3, it means 2 raised to power 3, which is going to be what? 8. If it is 4, we are having PQRX, it will be what? 2 raised to power what? Power 4, which is going to be 16. Don't forget. It means, this is what? I'm talking about 8 arguments now. What are the arguments? I will now have P, Q, R. Now, true, 1, 2, 3, 4, false, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the first thing I want to do is that I want to show that this is equals to, is a congress on this. Now, did I have anything complex here? I will move on to P and Q and R. Please, I've told you that learn to deal with bracket first. Use the word bond mass. And don't forget that this is multiplication. Set I mean true to be 1, false to be what? Is 0. Now, if I have, okay, I'm coming to that. Here will be true, sorry for that. And false, true, false. Now, what here will be true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. Now, the next thing I will do now is that you will take true to be 1, false to be 0. Now, true or false, it means 1 times 1, it will be what? True. It will be what? 1 times 0 to be 0, which is going to be false. Is 0, false. Now, here will be what? We're talking about this and this, it will be false. This and this, it will be false. This and this, it will be true. This and this, it will be false. This and this, it will be false. And this, it will be false. That's the first thing you do. Now, the next thing you do, which is going to be what? P or true of R. Now, which is and R. This one is very simple. Now, what did I need to do here is that P and this is what it means. P or Q, it will be what? True. And now, when you see or is what? Plus, which is going to be or plus. It means T is 1 and F is what? Is 0. 1 plus is 0 remains T remains 1, which is going to be 1. 1 remains true. Now, it means I'll be having this or this, it will be true. 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 This or this, it will be false. 0 plus 0 to be 0, and this or this to be 0. Can you see? Now, I think I've solved that one finish. I will now move on to the next one. Can it be equals to? Okay. I will start over again. Do I need to start over? I want to get. Okay, let me just put this one also. P, Q, R for better understanding, so that we'll be able to see very well. I won't rush. True, 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 and false, 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 false. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, true, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. Now, here will be true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. Now, I will move on to P or Q. P or Q, which I've told you earlier. P or Q, all is plus. P or Q, it means P or Q, it will be true. P or it will be true. 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 It will be false. And it will be false. That is very good. I move on to the next bracket, which is P or R. P or R. Don't forget P or R. P or R. P or R. Now, P or R. P or R, it will be true. 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 P or it will be false. Here will be R, it will be true. And it will be false. Here will be true, sorry. And here will be false. Okay, can I continue now? I want to solve this question now. P or Q and P or R. That is the question we are trying to work on. Now, what I just need to do now is that these two, true, any trace of true, 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 false, false, false. Now, can we say that this is equivalent to this? Let's check it. We have true, true. 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 We have true. We have false. Hey, there is a big problem here. True and false. Hope you have not mixed up anything here. P or Q? P or Q? P or Q? P or Q? P. Wait. P or Q? P or Q? P or Q will be what? True. What I did here is correct. Okay, here is correct. Now let me check here. P or P and Q. P. What is my Q? Q and R. Q and R. Q and R. P. Q and R. Q and R. Q and R. Here will be false now. Here will be false. P, yes, and R will be false. And false and false. Sorry, I've changed my print. This is my mistake. Yes, this is equals to this. This is equals to this. This is equals to this. Thank God for this. If not as well, that's how we miss it. Now, it means they are equivalent. Then, therefore, it is true that what? That P, Q, and R is the congress of what? P or Q and P or R. That is just it. Okay, don't forget to share our video, subscribe if you have not subscribed. Once again, thanks for watching.